Having worked in LinkedIn for many years, this was a common question that I always get to ask. How can I optimize my LinkedIn profile? Today, I'm going to share with you 5 important things that you need to do today to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Whether you are looking for a job or you would like to polish your LinkedIn profile, no matter what your reason is for watching this video, I believe it's going to help you. Let's get started. First off, the first tip is definitely do not cut and paste your resume to your LinkedIn profile. Think about your LinkedIn profile like a 24-hour open store. Even when you're sleeping, people can go to your LinkedIn profile and check your LinkedIn profile in depth. The main thing that's important for you is, rather than uploading a PDF of your resume, try to customize your tone in your profile. I'll give you an example. Sometimes when you're looking at other people's profiles, you might see that the profile is written in a third-person point of view. When you're writing your LinkedIn profile, think that you're in a conference introducing yourself to the person next to you. Would you use a third-person point of view? You won't, right? So my recommendation is definitely use a first-person point of view when you are describing your experience in your LinkedIn profile. Second, write a personal tagline. Most of the people are making a mistake of just writing their titles right under their name. That section is pulled automatically by LinkedIn from your experiences area. But it's actually, the tagline is an elevator pitch. I'll give you an example. Imagine that you're in an elevator and you have 30 seconds to introduce yourself to the person right next to you. What would you say? Would you just say your title, or would you introduce yourself in a totally different way? So, imagine your LinkedIn tagline as an elevator pitch. You can write as storyteller, writer, author, rather than just like mentioning that you're a sales manager, or rather than just mentioning that you're a mechanical engineer. Creating a LinkedIn tagline is a very difficult task. Sometimes it might take hours to come up with a solution. I highly recommend you not to write a title, but create an elevator pitch on your LinkedIn personal tagline. Let me show you how you can customize your tagline from LinkedIn. Skills section of LinkedIn is the most important section on your profile. The reason is, when recruiters are searching, they are typing keywords. And most of the time, those keywords are pulled from your LinkedIn profile. Do you know how many keywords you can actually put into your skill? Is it 5? 10? It's 50. 50. You might think that you might not have 50 skills, but I would challenge you on that. The best tip that you can actually do is look at the description sections of the jobs that you're looking for, and look at the keywords, and look at the descriptions, and look at the qualifications there. And if you feel like you really definitely own 100% of these qualifications, you can take those keywords to your skills. So I'll give you an example. Let's say you're an engineer, mechanical engineer, and look for the qualifications and descriptions on the jobs that you're actually applying. Take those like keywords from those and put it to your skill. Try to make it like not too generic. For instance, most people might know PowerPoint, most people might know Microsoft Word and Microsoft Skills, but having a language of coding language is very unique. So if you know certain languages, if you know certain like coding languages, putting those keywords to your LinkedIn profile is extremely important. Again, 50 will be your magic number. So let me show you how you can actually add some skills and delete some skills on your LinkedIn profile. The last one that I want to share with you is the connection count. Most of the time, especially if you are a student watching this video, you might be thinking that you don't have enough connections. When people come to your profile, you might be thinking that they're just gonna judge you because you have only like 100 connections or 150 connections or 200 connections. Let me tell you this. In LinkedIn, when we got this question from the audience, we always tell them that your quality of the audience is more important than the quantity. I'll give you an example. Rather than adding people that you don't know, that you have never done business with, or you have no connections, or you have no communication, and you're just adding them just to increase the LinkedIn connection number, it's not gonna help you. So my recommendation is try to increase your connections starting from your maybe like professors or your classmates. If you're not a student and if you are a business professional, maybe you can start adding your colleagues to your LinkedIn profile. So try to focus on the quality, not the quantity. That's all for now. If you want to know more, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.